The Wastegate valve in a turbocharger controls the boost pressure by regulating the amount of exhaust gas that flows into the turbine. Here's how it works. 1. Normal operation low boost. When the engine is running at low RPM, the turbocharger needs to build boost. The Wastegate remains closed, allowing all exhaust gases to pass through the turbine, increasing its speed and generating boost pressure. 2. Boost pressure regulation. As the engine speed increases, the turbocharger produces more boost. A pressure actuator controlled by a spring and a diaphragm is connected to the intake system and monitors the boost pressure. 3. Wastegate opening preventing overboost. When the boost reaches a preset limit, the actuator receives pressure and pushes a rod to open the Wastegate valve. This allows some exhaust gases to bypass the turbine, reducing its speed and preventing excessive boost. 4. Wastegate closing boost recovery. When the boost drops below the desired level, the actuator releases pressure, and a spring closes the Wastegate. This allows the turbine to speed up again, maintaining stable boost pressure. Types of Wastegates. 1. Internal Wastegate, integrated into the turbocharger, controlled by an actuator. 2. External Wastegate, a separate valve installed on the exhaust manifold, often used in high-performance applications.